Welcome to BizzRiser. Today, we'll walk you through 3 important features: template creation, bulk subscriber import, and WhatsApp broadcast messaging. Let's get started. Section 1: Creating message templates. Go to your BizzRiser dashboard. Open Bot Manager. Now click Message Templates. If you want personalized messages, such as delivery dates or pricing, you'll need variables. Click Create Variable, give it a name, and save. Create as many variables as you need. Next, click Create Template. Then select Mix Template from the drop-down. Enter the template name. Choose the locale. Select the category, utility, marketing, or OTP. Choose a header type. You can select text, image, video, or document. If you choose text, type your header directly. Now write your message body. Insert variables wherever personalized data is needed. Let me just add demo details quickly. You may also add a footer, call to action buttons, or quick replies. Click Save. Wait for WhatsApp approval. Click on Sync Template button to check whether it's approved or not. Once approved, the template can be used in broadcasts and live chat. To send a template manually, open Live Chat. Select a subscriber. Choose Send Flow or Message Template. Fill in the variable values. Submit. Section 2: Importing bulk subscribers. To import subscribers, we need to create a label first. To create a label, go to Subscriber Manager. In Subscriber Manager, you'll find Manage button. Click on that and select Manage Labels, then click on Create. Write label name and save. Then again open Subscriber Manager. Then click on Option button and select Import Subscribers. Choose a label for your imported users. Download the sample CSV file to understand the required format. Phone numbers must include the country code, but without the plus sign. Upload your CSV. Check the preview. Then click Map Data, and then map file header with the data field, as demonstrated in the video. If everything looks good, click Confirm. Your subscribers are now imported. To add a subscriber manually, click on Options button and select Create Subscribers. Enter the name. Enter the WhatsApp number with country code. Save. Section 3: Sending broadcast messages on WhatsApp. Go to the WhatsApp menu. Click Broadcasting. Click on Create button. Then write campaign name. Now you'll see 2 options: 24 hours and anytime. Choose Anytime option so that you can send messages to outside the 24 hours window. Select your template. Select labels you want to include or exclude. Then enter your variable values. If your template uses media, BizzRiser will ask you to upload the image or file before sending. Schedule it or send instantly. To schedule, select date and time. Then select your time zone. Save. Once you save, your broadcasting will start immediately. You've now learned how to create WhatsApp templates, import subscribers, and send broadcast messages using BizzRiser. Thank you for watching. Explore more features inside BizzRiser and take your WhatsApp automation to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Bye.